guys, it's Trey the DIY Ninja. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please feel free to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell to be alerted of when I post next. Thumbs up this video and leave a comment down below. Let's get started with this video. Today I'm going to be attempting to make a, what do you call it, a snaptab key fob or keychain on my brother SE600 embroidery sewing machine. This is going to be embroidered, and I digitized the image myself, so let's see how this goes. I haven't tested it out yet, so I don't know if it'll work exactly, but I'm gonna bring you here, and here is my key fob image. There we go. It's just an outline, and I did it purposely with these contrasting colors of just black on this lighter color marine vinyl. I've already hooped and attached my hoop into the machine just to save time, but under the hoop I have a piece of tearaway stabilizer, and I messed up on my original design here. So there was a hole, so I just put a little patch of, what do you call it, a cutaway stabilizer on here just to fill up the hole, and I taped it on, and then I put this on top. But yeah, if you can see here, it's kind of hard to see, I made the key fob really small, and so there were a little bit of issues when it was stitching out. So I already have my thread, my black embroidery thread, on the top and bottom. Let's just take a look at the design. If you hear any noise, that's my son. He's running back and forth, so you can just ignore him. Let's press OK. I'm gonna leave it the way it is, and actually let's go back. And I always like to do this on every design. I like to just have the machine trace out where it's going to stitch.
Not working.
It's really close to this other design. So I'm going to move it. Oops, okay. So. Let's just go back, click on the move button. I'm sorry for this shaky footage, guys, but I don't even think it's moving. Is it moving? Or can I click on this and move it with my finger? There we go. Okay, Evan. He's climbed onto my lap now. Hi, don't touch, please. Okay, can you sit somewhere else? Okay, hold on. Okay, so I moved it over, and let's press OK. And let's see, what's that say? There we go. Let's trace it again. Okay, that's safer. So, like I said, I had to digitize this image, and I changed it up just because the first one didn't work. So I have not tried to stitch this out yet, so wish me luck, guys. Alright, as we can see, hopefully I did this right. I kind of rushed it because someone who should not be named, aka my son, was being cranky and did not want me to do any work. Okay, so let's just get this started. I have my thread up here. I'm gonna pull it back. Then I'm gonna put my presser foot down and just let it do its thing. The embroidery foot actually covers most of the eyeball. But so far so good, looks pretty smooth. I'm trying to get you guys a better angle here. Anyways, hopefully you guys can hear me, but how are you guys doing? Are you enjoying your quarantine? I know it's been tough on a lot of people, but I find that, I said it before, I'll say it again, embroidery and crafting has really helped lift my spirits, so hopefully it can help you, or at least just watching this video will help. Okay, so the first step's done. Let's see what's next. It is the outline of the eye hole. It's the same color, so I'm just gonna press go. Okay, that was super fast. Let me see how long this whole thing is supposed to stitch out. How long is this supposed to take? 8 minutes. Alright, not too bad. And let's go to the next step. Oh, whoops. Let me double check what the next step even is. I think it's the basting stitch. And here, let me see. Sorry guys, I'm kind of rushing this as well. Okay, so it's going to be the outline, which means I need to put the backing fabric on. So I'm going to, if you have basting spray, you're going to want to put this on the back of the hoop. And if you don't, I'm going to use tape. So hopefully that works. Wish me luck. Guys, so here is where it could potentially go very wrong, because I've taped the fabric on the back. However, I can't find any regular tape, and I'm just using washi tape, which isn't very sticky. So this can go horribly wrong or horribly right. Wish me luck. A satin border on just the ninja body first. Going to cut any of the jump threads, if there are any, because I just want to see what it looks like if you don't. Also, I can't really even see them at this point, so I always wait till the end. But if you have better vision and you can and you have the time, you should stop the machine when you see a jump and cut it, just so it'll be cleaner. Going over to make the thicker satin stitch all the way around. So far it's looking real good. I'm just gonna let this finish and we'll come back to it in a second. Okay, so it's still going. Sorry, I only stopped for like literally 1 second because my lens was dirty. But yeah, if you enjoy embroidery videos, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below what you would like me to make next, or you have some kind of idea that you you want me to test out for you, leave it down below. So I'm really nervous right now because I'm pretty sure the marine vinyl I used on the back is not attached to my hoop. So I don't know what that's gonna look like. Fingers crossed, guys. Yikes, it's starting to sound funny. It sounded funny over there. Hopefully there's not a wrinkle in the back. In case I forgot to mention, I'm using the the Brother SE600, and it is a sewing and embroidery machine. It's currently sold out on Amazon, so I can't leave the link, but I will leave the link for the next best thing, which is the PE800, which is my next machine if I ever... Was that it? No? Okay. If I ever get enough money to buy another machine, I will upgrade to the PE800 so I can do bigger designs for you guys. But yes, you can help support my channel by subscribing and ringing the notification bell. I mean, I don't get paid at the moment, but it's okay. Eventually. Alright. Let's see. I know, if you're wondering why I don't get paid, is because I took... Oops. What was that noise? I took a really long break from YouTube, and YouTube demonetized my entire channel. Isn't that nice? But yeah, they changed their rules, so I'm basically starting over, which is okay, because I just make videos that I enjoy. Basically, I make videos of things I enjoy making, and if you guys enjoy watching, you know what to do. It's looking decent. A lot better than my first attempt at this one here, which is too small. Oh, it struggled there a bit because I overlapped the stitches. So I actually drew and designed this on my Windows computer instead of using Procreate, which is why it was a little bit weird. So I used just the Paint 3D that came free for Windows 10, and it didn't bond. Oh, that sounded funny. It didn't bond the two pieces together. So the tab part and my Ninja. So it made them into two separate things. So when I digitized it, it became two separate things. I mean, there is a way to fix it, but it's just a lot of work. So I may just redesign the whole thing, but we'll see. Actually, yeah, I can fix it in the digitizing software. I just kind of wanted to see how this would stitch out first. Oh, and I also want to see if my brother Scan and Cut SDX125E can cut this out for me, since I can't see that well. Okay guys, so it finished stitching out. I'm just gonna press OK on my machine, and let's take it out of the hoop and take a look. Okay, so surprisingly, it turned out really well. Just have to cut that jump stitch between the eyes and the jump stitch from the eyeball to the mask area and the mask area to the side. There's 3 jump stitches that I see. Pretty clean. And guess what, guys? The back came out great too. Let's see, except for these little random stitches that can be easily cut off. Back looks good. So now I'm going to see if, here's the original one again, look at that face, all messed up. Anyways, I'm going to see if my brother Scan and Cut can cut this out, But this video is getting pretty long, so stay tuned for the next video, and I will see if it can cut through how many layers, like 4 layers. So I have marine vinyl, then I have the cutaway stabilizer, and then I have tearaway stabilizer, and then I have marine vinyl. So that's 4 layers of stuff, and we'll see how well it can cut out and how accurate. So definitely stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!